Hello everyone, this is Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphology Made Simple, and in this video we are going to get answer to a most interesting question, which is why signature analysis reveals public personality. Right? So this is the question that is asked by a lot of people. Once you get their analysis, then people are going to ask this: why my public personality is revealed in signature? Why not in handwriting? So in this video, we are going to get answer to that question, and you may be also wondering why the signature reveals public image. As before this video, we have seen why what signature reveals, which is public image. So you may be wondering why. You got the what, now you may be thinking about why. So in this video, you are going to get answer. So let's get started. On the right side, you can see different names in different signatures, right? So for example, here it's Smith, it's Akhilesh Bhagwat, it's Henry, right? Yet the common thing in all signature is names, right? You cannot find feelings in signature. For example, nobody will sign like love, okay, and then they put underline. Can you find such signature? No. No one will sign signature like sad. Okay, they are feeling sad and then put underline, or even they don't put underline, you can just ignore the underline. So no one is going to sign like this, right? No one is going to show their emotions like this by writing the emotions in their signature, right? It is hilarious, right? People will always write their names. Unlike in handwriting, you can write this emotion. In handwriting, you can write I love food. Okay. Now obviously I love food, that's why I'm writing it. I love food. Okay, so in signature I can communicate about my feelings for my food. So my I love my food, that's why my feelings are like this. So similarly I can have feelings for other stuff as well. So I feel sad. Okay, I feel sad for I feel sad for some people. You can say some I feel sad for beggars, you can say. Okay, because they are unable to make their living, right? So I feel sad for them. I can now communicate this feeling with you. You are listening now, right? So I can communicate my feelings with you through handwriting. Yet through my signature, for example, this is my signature. Right? Now in reality it's not, yet just let us assume that this is my signature. So by just looking at this my name, can you know that I feel sad for beggars? Can you know that I love food? Can you know that I am feeling happy? Or can you know that I love graphology? Can you know that by just looking at my signature? No, you cannot, and no one can. If you show me your signature, only signature I'm talking about, then I can never know what you feel about your people or social people around you. Okay. Yes, you can find some things like you are selective person and etc. etc. Right? You are lonely person or you are a materialistic person. Yes, that can be found out. Yet true feelings cannot be found out by just signature. Right? The only thing that can be found out is about myself, right? Myself, the feeling I have about myself, or either way about my family if I have both names, right? That is the only thing that we can find out through signature. If you want to communicate your true feelings about someone, something, or you want to give opinion about something, for example politics, for example news, for example future, philosophy, then you can only do that through handwriting, right? Through signature you can only communicate about your own self. Okay, so that is the thing that you must understand. So in short, signature can help you know about your own self, and that is why it reveals public personality, not the private one. As in private one, you communicate your feelings, you communicate your stuff right with people. Yet in public personality, you don't communicate that. if I am, or if you are someone standing in a group of new people who you don't know, strangers, then you are not going to just start talking like, I love this food, I love that food. No, that particular communication only exists when you are with your close friends, right? So you cannot communicate your true feelings in public as well. And that is the reason in signature only your name is revealed. So a person that may know you by name doesn't may not know you in may not know you fully, right? So for example, your boss will only know your name. He may not know that you are multi-talented, you are good at some other stuff, right? Other stuff in the sense swimming, if you are a corporate person, and he will not know, your boss will not know that you are good at swimming. Why? Because he only cares about getting work done. So he only knows your name and that's it. He don't go into what you're feeling about stuff, etc. So, in short, your public personality or your signature, you can say, only reveals about your own self. Okay, so that is the reason that signature just reveals your public personality. If someone asks you why signature reveals public personality, then you can tell them that signature cannot communicate writer's true feelings, like true feelings for someone, for something. Okay, true feelings or emotions as well. Okay, and that is the reason the signature indicates public personality. Signature only tells about your own self. Okay, your own self, or if there's another signature, another person's signature, then about themselves. Okay, as signature will always contain some name, emotions will not there. Okay, so that's all for this video. If someone asks you any question like why signature reveals public, it is because it only tells about you. Now if someone asks why handwriting reveals private personality, then it is because handwriting communicates about writer's true feelings through sentences, through words, through paragraphs, okay, through books, right? We write books and or even create PDFs, right? So from that we communicate our feelings, right? Unlike in signature, we only communicate about our name or about ourselves, not about others. Okay, family can be included, yet not the things like I love India, I love etc. cannot be communicated through signature only. So that is the reason signature reveals private personality. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning and let's keep growing.